Hey, good morning, everybody. Can't wait to see you guys today when we all Zoom in. My recording that I made earlier on yesterday and tried to upload for you guys so you know how to Zoom in this morning, it did not work out. I could not get it loaded, so I'm making a super quick video for you today so I can talk to you at 9 o'clock at our Zoom in meeting. So right now I am going to switch this screen over so I can show you my computer screen, and I'm going to show you how to go to Canvas and log in. Okay, so on your computer, you're going to use your web browser, and you're going to put in KPBSD, okay, and search that. And this page that you're looking at right here with the Kenai Peninsula Borough School District on it is the page you want. When you get there, you want to go to this icon right here that says Canvas, okay? Now I'm going to click on it, and it's probably going to take me right to my Canvas dashboard. When you click on it, you will have to sign in with your student ID. Don't forget to put the 0 in front of that number. And then your student password. Remember, your student password is your birth date, but you put the days first, the month, and then the year. So it's 2 digits for the day, 2 digits for the month, and the last 2 digits of the year that you were born. Okay, let's try this. Okay, so mine took me straight to my dashboard. Yours will not. You're going to have to put your code in first. Then you'll go to your dashboard, which will look a lot like this. Most of you will have this Curious Eagles Landing on yours. That's us. That's the 3rd and 4th grade class, and that's where you need to go this morning to Zoom in, okay? Most of you will have this Music and PE one from Mrs. Simonson. Some of you will have Mr. Eden's Language Arts one, and some of you will have his math one, okay? This morning, you're going to go to the Eagle. This is our class, okay? Click on the Eagle. Okay, there we go. There's a Bitmoji of me, Mrs. Fournier's 3rd and 4th grade class. When you get here, you're going to scroll down to this Zoom box right here, okay? You're going to click on it, and it will take you directly to our Zoom meeting at 9 o'clock, all right? If you get there early, it'll put you in what they call the waiting room, so don't hang up, don't turn it off. Just wait until you see Mr. Eden or I when we open the meeting, all right? When you zoom in, when you click the Zoom button and it takes you to the Zoom page, there's going to be a little box that drops down from the top, and you're going to have to click Open in Zoom, okay? And then you might have to click after that when the meeting gets started. You're going to have to make sure you turn on your video recorder and your microphone so that we can hear you and see you. All right, I cannot wait until we all get to see each other in just like a half hour, 40 minutes. Yay! Okay, see you in a little bit.